Hello, my name is Dr. Toby Elishakin and welcome to this tutorial video on how to create a project and assign buildings to that project. I will be doing this in the standard user mode and showing how this can be done even if one is not an expert. First, we'll make sure we go to the project tab. That's the tab right on here on the top left hand side of the screen. Once we click on it, we'll come to a page that shows all the projects that are ongoing within the decision support tool. For the purpose of this video, we will be creating a new project. Now, to create a new project, we only need to click on the Create button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Following that, we will add a few details about the project and then save it. Here, I will name the project Tutorial 1 and add a description for the project saying tutorial to add and assign buildings. I will then save that and go back to the project tab. Now back on the project screen, I can scroll down to look for the project I've just created and then edit it. So as we can see here, there's tutorial 1 with the description that I created for it. Now to edit this project, I will be clicking on the edit button on the left hand side of that project. Once I've clicked on it, we can see a number of tabs where we can make several changes that affect the output that we would want from this particular project. On the first sub-tab on the tutorial 1 project, we can see that we can still change details about the project. We can change the title and we can change the description of the project. Here as well, we have the option to delete the project if we want to do that. And then we'll move to the buildings sub-tab, and this is where we can add or assign buildings to this specific project. Here, we will choose from a list of buildings in order to choose the buildings that we'll be assigning to this particular project. Now, we're choosing from a list of buildings that have previously been added to the tool. Now, it is important to note here that each building, once added to the project, is copied into it with all its properties and becomes independent of the general building stock that is stored in the application's database. What this means is that calculations are made on the copies of the building and not the actual parameters. Now, this selection field that I've clicked here can then be used to specify which buildings should be assigned to this project. Now, in order to make things quicker, it helps to type in some letters of the name of the building or its location to quickly find the building you are looking for. In this case, I will type Sevilla and I will see all the buildings that are associated with the Sevilla province. I will just be clicking the first one here, and then I can confirm our choice here by clicking the Assign button, and the selected building will appear on the list. We can add as many buildings as we want here for a single project. So as many buildings as are needed, we can add to this project. We can add another building from Sevilla, for example, and click the Assign button and add it on there. That concludes our tutorial for this session. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Toby Elishakin.